to another edition of Office 365. This one happens to be covering arguably one of the most important features of Office 365, and that is called OneDrive. So if you go up to your 3x3 grid here, you'll see something called OneDrive. Right there, the little cloud, and the cloud is for cloud storage. Now, if you're familiar with Google products, this is basically the same as Google Drive. It's really the same. It lets you store documents. It lets you open or begin Word documents, PowerPoint documents. There's all kinds of stuff in here. Actually, if you click New, you'll see you can start a Word document, Excel workbook, all these, and we'll cover all these different pieces to the puzzle here. So what you can do is, if you want to save something on here, you just would click Upload. So if you're trying to upload something, you're like, oh yeah, I need to upload a video for class. I need to upload something. Well, you can click on that. Okay, so you can click on it and upload it, and it will save it to the cloud. Now, what's nice about this is once you upload it, you have the choice of sharing it. So it's not used to be that you have to email things out to people or whatever. Now you can just share it. You can say, okay, it's open. Here's the website. Here's the URL, which is the website address for the document or for the PDF or for the video or whatever you want. What you would do is you could either invite people, which is, I wouldn't recommend doing this. I would say get a link. And there's two kinds of links here. One link is where they can just look at it. So if you want them to just look at something, for example, a rubric for your class, or a study guide or something, or maybe even a test, I mean, who knows, and you don't want them to change it, you just want it to be left alone, then you would want view only. Now, if you're working on some sort of collaborative project, then you would click on edit. The reason I say you kind of want to be careful with the edit one is if you create a rubric and then somebody decides to change it, they can say, hey, no, this wasn't in the rubric, and then they can print it out and show you and go to the site and say, hey, look, here's your rubric, and it doesn't say that. So just make sure you're being careful on which one you choose to view. You know, if you're just gonna have them print it or whatever, then create a link. If you're going to have them be able to edit it, then you want to be able to do that. Make sure you've kind of got your cases figured out beforehand. And you can always change it. You know, if you want to at first have it to be some sort of collaborative project, you say create a link for editing it, and then you say, okay, the collaboration part's done, I don't want anybody else to change anything. Then you can change it over to view only. So you do have choices here. And this is, you can do folders here. You can start a new folder. You could do a new folder. Any one of these will also work inside. So once you're in OneDrive, you can start any one of these documents. And so you can do folders to help you organize things, and you can share folders as well. So you could have a class folder for each grade, you know, grade 5. A, grade 5B, grade 5C, could each have their own folder, and you could share a grade 5A folder with grade 5A. You know, grade 5B you could share with grade 5B. So you do have choices on how you're sharing it and everything. Okay, so really, really powerful tool. And what's nice about this is you can access this from anywhere you can get online to check your email. Since this is, you're still using Office 365, it doesn't matter if you're using a Mac, a PC, a Linux machine, whatever. It doesn't matter. It's all on the web, so you don't have to worry about, oops, I forgot my computer. Whoops, I forgot my flash drive. It's all on the cloud. Okay, so this is really pretty simple. If you do have any questions or you want to help get things set up, please stop by the Tech Center and ask for help. I mean, we'll be more than happy to kind of help you get going on this, help you create the folders, help you manage the folders and stuff, because it's really a powerful tool. It's so nice to be able to share things without sending out emails. Okay, so like I said, if you have any questions, please let me know. And once again, thank you for watching the video.